Hi WBP stars, welcome at Tres. I'm the chef and the co-owner of the restaurant, together with Amy Koster, you'll see downstairs. We have a 12-seat restaurant and we only work with local ingredients, so really everything comes from the Netherlands. We don't use chocolate and everything else. So we're going to take you a little tour inside. Just follow me please. So this is where we start. All the guests start here upstairs with a few snacks, with a glass of champagne, and then we'll take you downstairs.
We hebben een wilde eend. Die rijpen we 3 weken boy, dus jullie volgende gang. Die na het ribje komt, dus jullie terug gaan naar de bar, dan krijgen we die. Mark, oppa. Houtsbloemen.
We give a product display where we see a few of the elements of the next courses we serve. From here we go to the bar that's around the kitchen. From here you see everything. Prep a little bit inside and back, so there's a little showtime for everyone. From here, we'll take you again in the kitchen and then back to the bar, and then you end up in the lounge. I always say lounge, living room, depends how you like to say it. And you end there with your embodies and your coffee. You have an experience around 3 to 4 hours. We serve 18 servings. We don't call it dishes because everything is similar size. Oh yeah, this is Tres. Alright, we hope to see you in the future and have a great experience with us and celebrate a good night.